Isa ka bang online freelancer o nagbabala ka lang pumasok sa mga online industry or online work from home? Narinig nyo na yung kasabihan that prevention is better than cure. Alamin ang 8 na karaniwang pagkakamali ng mga bagawang online freelancer. Kung gusto mo malaman, tune in. Don't tune out.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Talking about freelancing, I am really so passionate to talk about yung work from home opportunities and freelancing because I have a team of at least 40 plus people right now and we have been doing work from home and freelancing for 8 years already. I will definitely tell you that freelancing is one of the best income opportunities that you can get into because you work from home at the same time you can earn and take care of your family. Kaya nga hindi mo na kailangan mag-abroad pa no, sa pamagitan nito. However, marami ako nakikita na hindi nagiging matagumpay sa freelancing work kasi madalas po nila ginagawa yung mga pagkakamali. So again, in this session, pag-usapan na po natin yung 8 common mistakes ng isang freelancer. Number 1, accepting too many jobs at the same time. Yan ang isang pagkakaraniwan na nangyayari po. In other words, hindi pa masyadong dalubhasa at magaling since gustong kumita agad, marami na tinitake na mga opportunities to the point na nagsasuffer na po ang kanyang execution at ang kanyang quality of work. Always remember na hindi mo kailangan tanggapin ang lahat ng ino-offer sa iyo, lalo na kung ikaw ay baguhan pa at hindi mo talaga kayang i-deliver. Kailangan po yung balance lang po. Ang trabaho, natatanggapin mo yung kaya mo lang. Huwag dapat mag-compromise ang quality. Kasi pag nasira ka, hindi ka na makakaulit. That is the first common mistake. The second common mistake is what? Accepting and settling for low pay. Dahil lang gustong makakuha, kahit na talagang mababa na sa rate, ito lang tinatanggap pa. So, pag yan ang ginagawa mo is nasisira po yung pricing sa buong industry. At not only that, ikaw pa rin, pagod ka, pero underpaid. I'm not saying that you charge too high immediately. Ang sinasabi ko, tamang-tama lang. Kaya kailangan alamin mo rin kung magkano ba talaga yung industry rate. Nagmamatch ba talaga sa kakayahan mo kanyang ino-offer. So, in other words, know your worth. Be confident and honest with your pricing. At mag-ingat din may mga nagte-take advantage, lalo na kung beginner ka. That's the second one. Third common mistake is what? Failing at work-life balance. Since work from home na po ang nangyayari po, so minsan nakakalimutan na wala na pong tinatawag na division kung kailan yung sa bahay, yung ginagawa sa bahay at saka yung sa trabaho. So nagiging 24/7 na. You know what? I will remind you kung bakit ba talaga tayo nag-work para sa ating pamilya. Dapat maglaan ka pa rin ng oras para sa mahal mo sa buhay at para sa sarili mo. Sa pamamagitan po ng pagsiset ng boundaries between work and personal life, ikaw ay mas magiging fulfilled, happy, productive, di ba? Kaya kahit anong challenges ang pwede mong pasukan, ika nga ay walang nasasaktan. Everyone is happy. Let's go to the fourth common mistake of a freelancer na marami po ang nagkakamali is what? Not communicating well. Alam mo, as a freelancer, marami kayong mga meet ng clients. At the same time, iba-iba ang kanilang expectations. Napakahalaga na malinaw po ang inyong communication. Kasi nga, pag freelancing po, ibig sabihin po niyan, malayo po yung distance. Lalo na kung kausap nyo po ay taga-abroad, iba ang kanilang timeline. So, through communication, nagkakaroon po ng bawat isa ng understanding kung ano yung expectations, ano yung delivery. Diba? Kaya kailangan po transparent po. Kailangan po nakasulat po. Kailangan po clear po, di ba? Kung ano yung pinag-usapan nyo, black and white, kung kailan ang delivery, dapat i-fulfill. At kung hindi mo kayang i-deliver naman, i-communicate mo rin in advance, sasabihin mo na sa kanila. Huwag mong hihintayin na kayo ang fina-follow up. Let's go to the fifth mistake of mga freelancer. Ito, common rin to. Mishandling of their finances. Yan po, yung mga baguhan, since na minsan malaki po ang pasok ng pera, so ika nga, nami-mismanage po. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, nung maliit nga yung kita, okay sila. Nung lumaki na, nagkulang na, nagkautang pa. Kaya my friendship, iwasan natin to. You have to be responsible pagdating po sa paghahawak ng inyong pera. Lalo na kung kayo po ay umaasa sa project, wala kayong regular source of income kasi may mga per project. Pag kayo nagkaroon ng project, i-plot out nyo na yung kailangan mong emergency fund para just in case, kahit 2 to 3 months wala kang trabaho, magsasurvive ka. Let's go to number 6. 6 common mistake is losing productivity and focus. Especially, alam mo, isang challenge yan. Working independently. Walang ika nga boss, di ba? Madali tayo ma-distract, dali rin mawala yung motivation. At kapag nawala na ng gana, kadalasan, anong po nangyari? Tinatamad na, nawawala ng effectivity ng work. That's why it is important for us to stay consistent, to stay focused. Kunyari, sinabi natin 9 to 5 talagang work hours mo. Alam mo, maganda pa rin, lalo na kahit na nagwo-work from home ka, may routine pa rin. Sundan mo yung routine, di ba? Patuloy-tuloy yan para ma-achieve mo ang iyong goal and task. Let's go to number 7. But before we go to number 7, my friend, batiin muna natin si Miriam Canapi, no, from Oman, si Chris De Leon, at the same time, Day Financial Education from Taiwan. Maraming salamat. 7th common mistake ng mga freelancing, nako, pakinggan nyo to. Doubting yourself. Isa sa mga malaking pagkakamali talaga ng mga freelancer, yung hindi naniniwala sa kanilang kakayanan. Alam mo, ito lang I want to be honest with you. Wala itong magagawang mabuti kundi magbigay lang ng negativity. This will bring discouragement. Para ikaw ay maging matagumpay na freelancer, you have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in your capability. You have to be motivated. Maniwala ka na kaya mong gawin and maghanap ka ng paraan to continuously improve your skills. Kaya nga, para hindi ka mahirapan, always have a learning mindset. Upgrade. And number 8 common mistake kung bakit hindi naging successful sa freelancing opportunity is what? They give up too soon. Or giving up too soon. Those who doubted themselves sometimes, since sinasabi, hindi para sa akin to. So, walang tumatanggap. Pasok ko ng pass ng resume, So, ano nangyayari? They stop and they quit. Uulitin ko, alam niyo naman to, walang nagwawagi na umaayaw at walang umaayaw na nagwawagi. Oo, parang sa sweepstakes lang yan. Dapat wag tayong sumuko. Laban lang ng laban. Don't entertain negative thoughts. Instead, mag-focus ka. Diba? Gawin mo yung dapat. At the same time, apply ka ng apply. Diba? Build yourself up. Diba? Alam mo, success takes time. Gamitin mo yung mga life lessons mo, na mga pain mo into order for you to become a gain. Sharpen your skills. Kahit na free. Diba? Free. Mag-volunteer ka para matuto ka lang. And once you gain that confidence, papasok na yung opportunity. Tandaan na mas mabuti ang itong mga 8 pagkakamali na ito, kailangan natin maiwasan. Ano itong 8 ulit? Sige, isa-isahin natin. Accepting jobs. Maraming trabaho. Too much too soon. Accepting and settling for low pay. Masyado mababa. Walang work-life balance. Not communicating well with your clients. Mishandling your finance. Nakaka-stress yan. Losing productivity and focus. Doubting yourself at you gave up too soon. Kaya mga friendship, ito lang, it is my heart and desire to help you to become successful in your online career. Kaya nga, alam nyo, kung kayo po ay nakikinig sa akin at nanonood ngayon at gusto nyo magkaroon ng work from home opportunities at gusto nyo talagang matuto kung paano talaga maging successful, may kasabihan nga, prevention is better than cure. If you want really to pursue a career in freelancing, we have created an online course to help you. Me and Coach MK, the founder of FH Moms, no? Ika nga itong FH Moms, sila po yung isang grupo ng mga kababaihan at mga misis who can give you opportunity and freelancing opportunity. We created course called Sana All, Online Job for Everyone. If you are interested to know the ins and out on how to become successful, I want you to watch this. We're going to grant you this opportunity. Ako, si Coach MK Bertulfo, the 3 of us, we come together to form an event to help people like you who's watching right now na gustong kumita online pero hindi alam saan mag-uumpisa. Ito yung tinatawag na Sana All. Yung All OL, Online Job for Everyone. Out of school youth ka man, nag-aaral ka man, out of job, OFW ka man, diba? Housewife ka man, this is the session for you. I have 40 virtual assistant working under my team. That has been my passion. 8 years ko na talagang ginagawa to. So I firmly believe. So I want to share with you ano ba hinahanap ng employers, ano dapat ang mindset and attitude that you need to possess. Tapos naman si Coach Madge naman will teach you the 5 important yung high-paying na skills from a social media manager, from a task manager, graphics design, video editing, and also yung web development. Yung natutunan din ni Angela, ituturo ni Coach Matt sa session na ito. And last but not the least, si Coach MK naman will teach you naman on where to find a job, how to apply, anong resume, diba? Ano yung dapat mong gawin? In other words, ang goal namin sa session na ito, after you learn and apply in less than 30 days, in 30 days, you will find an online job. So if you're interested to join us on this online course. So next question, how much the investment? Easily, you can check kung magkano charge na MK at saka 5,000 each yan per student. Pero sinabi ko, let's make this more affordable for everyone, no? Para mas marami pang matututo. So instead na 15,000 pesos, kasi 3 kami, So we just made this 1,598 pesos for this online class, itong online session na ito. Pero ang good news, meron pa tayong early bird registration. If you avail now, may 50% discount. It's only 799 pesos. Yes, 799. So if you're interested to be part of this and to earn 6-digit income, all you need to do is just type the word called Sana All. Sana All, Sana, and then OL inside your comment box. Or just check the link kung nasaan po yung link so that you'll be able to enroll and register. Sana all na talagang matuto, work from home, at kumikita ng 6-digit income right now. So what are you waiting for, my friends? Join us. Guys, I hope I have enlightened you. And if you know mga tao na talaga naghahanap ng online work, share this video with them so that it can also benefit and help them. This Chinky Tan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Think positive. Thank you for watching. If you want to keep on growing and to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Always think positive.